Hey everybody, this is John Barton from JB Cases. So we're here to do our weekly showcase for the week of February 28th. Let's get started right away. Pull these over and see what we got going on here. So first case I got is a burgundy and tan case, 2x3. This one has a OU on it. It says Ford. And this has white stitching, single strap on the back. Tan zipper pulls, check those out. Kind of nice that embroidery is. Things like that. Move this light up here so you can see a little bit better. Alright. This one here is a 2-butt and 3 shaft. There you go, JB Cases. Alright, next one I have here is for Lumpy. This is a real cool black and yellow 4x8 with yellow zipper pulls, yellow stitching, and backpack straps. And you can see here we got kind of a cool looking grumpy 8-ball on there, angry 8-ball for Lumpy. And let's see what we look like on the interior here. We got a bright yellow interior, and there you go. How cool. Hey honey, we need to clean this off a little bit right here. Right there. Okay, next case I have here is a 3x6, black and blue with orange stitching with backpack straps. And this one is for Mr. Robert Simpson. Very cool. And there you go, 3-butt, 6 shafts. Okay, next one I have is a 2x5/3x4. This is black with red stitching for I don't know. I can't read Gothic strip, I'm sorry. It's me. It's a personal thing with me, I just can't read it. My brain just goes on tilt when I look at it. So basically I would have been completely illiterate in medieval times. Alright, next one we have here is a 4x8 black and gray with gray stitching and backpack straps. And this one is for, this one's going to, this is for Goran Kobach. Goran makes some really cool, good carbon fiber shafts and carbon fiber jump cues. I think he makes a whole cue now too, carbon fiber cue. But anyway, that's pretty cool. All right, this one here. Did I show you guys into it? I did, right? Doesn't matter. Probably gray. Okay, this is a 3x6 with a single strap, and it says here Richard, 1967, 4RDAM. I don't know what that means. Fordham. Maybe? Is that a name? Whatever it means, the important part is that it's meaningful. It's meaningful to the person who ordered it, you know, and that's what we supply. So we provide the platform. You guys provide the design. And we get to live another day. There you go. Oh wow, then we have another one for Goran here, Go Customs. This is cool. Alright, this is a black and red. Right here. You can see right there we got the Go Customs on there. I wonder why he didn't put that on his own. Alright. Very cool. With a Superman logo on there. And then what's the back say here? Some Chinese.
Superman in Chinese.
Huh? Oh, it says Superman in Chinese?
Yeah.
So that says Superman in Chinese. And then what, the ABJ, is that initials? Anyway, How cool did that come out? Look at that. So that's black with red stitching, and red zipper pulls, and a red interior. There you go. Alrighty, so next up here, I have either a 4x8 or a 3x6. And this one is this one of our more compact 4x8s. So we got a 4x8 here, butterfly, 4 butts, 8 shafts. And then our 4x8s are made just a little bit extra right here, so you guys can see this. So people like to put extra stuff in here, so we make them a little bit bigger. We make them all sizes. We've made them much bigger than this. We've made them just exactly the size for cues. So we have different sizes. Just depends on whatever you want. This one is black with blue stitching and blue piping. Very pretty. And backpack straps. There you go. So the other day, get this, guys. The other day I get into an argument with somebody, and the guy decides that he's going to get all huffy and put his case up for sale, and I said I would buy it, right? But apparently he traded it. He traded it for a different brand of case. And I see him in the pool room like a day later, and he's got this case, and it looks just like crap. I mean, it's worn out. The thing is all messed up. It just looks like shit. And this case isn't that old. You know, I'm not even going to mention the brand or the people involved because I don't want any more drama over it. But the fact of it is that the case itself is just horrible looking on his shoulder, right? And I asked him, I said, so are you really happier with that case? He goes, well, no, I'm not happier with it, but you know, I mean, I just wanted to change and blah, 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 right? I was like, okay. But he knows, he said to me, he goes, this case is a piece of shit. I said, well, you know, next time maybe don't throw a temper tantrum and throw away your good case because you're mad at me. You can be mad at me for something that we're talking about that doesn't even have anything to do with cases or anything like that. But that doesn't mean you have to give up your good pool cue case that is working and protecting your cues and doing what it's supposed to do. You know? But anyway, here's a black and orange for Cole. We got a Bible verse on there, Daniel 10:19. I'll have to look that up and see what it means. And black and orange stitching with backpack straps, 2 butts, 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts with a navy blue interior. Very pretty. There you go. So that's a lesson, you know, for those of you. You know, if you buy some shoes or something like that and the company does something that pisses you off, don't go burn your shoes or throw them away or some shit like that because you bought them because you're comfortable, you know? Use them. Don't contribute to the waste in the world. All right, so this is a very pretty case here. This is black, purple, and pink for Perlena with a very pretty design on the pocket there, embroidered design. No top handle, pink zipper pulls. Oh, look here, we even got a pretty one on the back too. Look at that. Is that part of DJ's designs or part of, huh? It is? Okay. Well, we need to make sure we give him something for that, so. And there you go. How cool. So this is, these designs here are from DJ. DJ is a designer that worked with us for a while. He's doing a lot for Predator right now. And, anyway, really cool guy, good designer. He's got some designs up on our website. So these are some. So whenever you guys choose this, the designer of the graphics will get a little bit from it. So it helps them, helps you to have a cool design to put on your case, and it helps us to sell another case. So once again, everybody's happy, everybody wins. Alrighty, next one I have here is a case for Kerry McAuliffe. Right there, we know Kerry. He's a good player up in the Northeast. There you go. That is for him. That is a 4x8 black and blue with a light blue interior. There you go. That ought to serve him for many more years. Okay, then here I have the next case I have here is a 3x6 that is a little bit special here. We have an extra long pocket right here, and this pocket has the MOLLE webbing on it. So what that means is it's the military spec webbing, so you can any kind of attachments that have the same spacing on here can be put on here. And so, you know, if he has extra little pouches or gear or whatever, you can put that on there. And you can see it's black and green, got kind of a military theme going on here. And then we have a bunch of patches in here. Can we put these patches? Okay, I guess they can't really fit there, right? I would prefer if these were put in a way that they didn't like fall out when somebody opens it. Maybe under. Cool beans. Okay. And he's got an extra long jump pouch here too, so for whatever he wants to put in here, long jump cue, two-piece jump cue that he doesn't want to take apart, whatever it is. All right, let's see what we got for an interior. And we have a green interior to match the exterior, so very pretty. Alrighty, next case I have here is black and yellow blue and yellow 4x8. Looks like the West Virginia Mountaineers, and we got a pretty cool like embroidery on the bottom there, West Virginia. There you go. I definitely got to change this. I got to get this camera closer to me. This is awkward. All right, I'll let you out. Hold on. And a navy blue interior to complement the exterior. Very pretty. Okay, now we're coming around to the end here. And since I just did a blue and yellow there, I'll do a blue and yellow here too as well. This blue and yellow 4x8 is University of Michigan, which it looks like it was founded in 1817. Pretty cool. Got a cool Michigan on there. Also blue with yellow stitching, yellow zipper pulls, and a navy blue interior. And there you go. How cool. All right, and the last one I have for you today is this one here is Ohio State University. Very pretty, very cool. With a blue interior. And there you go. All right, folks. Well, that's it. So just remember, if you want to commemorate your school or whatever's meaningful to you, you design it, we'll build it. All right. You take care. Bye-bye.